Hi, and thank you so much for watching. My name is Olivia, and today I will be showing you how I achieved this look right here. This pretty much is my everyday look, makeup look. It's quick, it's easy, it still brightens me up, and this is still what I wear at work as well while I'm working from home. So just a quick backstory on my work life during this pandemic. I work in a customer service related role, typically in a call center. My job duties are primarily over the phone and on a computer. I don't want to ever be complacent or take this opportunity for granted, especially because a lot of people unfortunately don't have the opportunity to work from home. So I am extremely blessed, and I'm thankful that I'm able to still work and work from home. This is the main reasons why I still do my makeup and also still get semi-dressed with maybe a shirt like this and some comfortable bottoms, because honestly getting dressed and doing my makeup has really been helping me with my mental health. Just because I work from home doesn't mean that I need to dress in my PJs all the time. And honestly, it was fun at first when I first started working from home, but then I started feeling really sluggish and I just didn't like it at all. So getting dressed and doing this really does help me. It helps create a positive mindset for my day and really helps me get started. I am seriously praying for everybody out there. You all are in my thoughts and prayers. Those who are affected by it financially or physically, health-wise, everybody is definitely in my thoughts and prayers. I really hope that this video helps you in some sort of way, especially with keeping your mental health a priority, just as much as your physical health and well-being. So if you'd like to see how I got this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching. In advance, I do apologize for the glare. I normally do my makeup in the bathroom and I cannot see without my glasses. I try, I cannot. So the glasses will come on and off. It won't be on throughout the whole entire video, so just know that, because I know the glare can definitely be annoying. This is my first time filming in this bathroom, so hopefully my arrangement will definitely change in the future. Or if you have any recommendations on how to prevent the glare but still get a really good light, please let me know. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I kind of messed up as I was supposed to do this step before the last one, but it kind of worked out in the end. Actually mix these two baking powders together. It's amazing and gives me the perfect shade. I also used the combination of these two lip glosses. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this look down in the comment section below. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. And also check out these videos right here, and down below for other videos of mine. And comment down below also some future videos that you would like to see from me. Everybody is in my thoughts and prayers, and I hope everybody stays safe during this time. All right, guys. Bye. See you next time.